Previously on TWiT.
Well, hello there. I am Stephanie Studebaker, and I have been called in from the corporate office. You see, we have determined that this here company has been hacked, and somebody here was responsible for taking some very important, very secret information.
Hands on Mac.
This week, I'm going to show you the single most important thing you can do to secure your Macintosh.
TWiT News.
So this is the first number of developer conferences that will be streamed. Microsoft Build 2020, the first virtual developer conference.
Good morning and welcome to Build.
All about Android.
So the OnePlus 8 Pro has a color filter camera on it, right? But it was perplexing because a lot of people thought it was an X-ray camera, which it is not.
TWiT. Technology for your eyes and ear holes.